All right, welcome to In the Garage with Pilot Pete, Pro Pilot Pete. I wanted to show you guys our clunking noise under our Ford Taurus. Yeah, let me set the camera down just for a second so I can get my gloves on. I'm gonna show you guys what we got. Wait, let me get the flashlight under here. All right, look at this ball joint right there. You can see it's just shot. It's got all kinds of, I don't know if I can wiggle it and hold the camera at the same time. I can't really wiggle it. Show you guys. I need a pry bar under the tire. But anyway, as you can see how much gap is in there, and the other one is the same way. Both sides. So we are probably going to change those. And what all is involved is you got to take the wheel off, take the brakes off, pull the axle out, drop that lower, take that nut off the lower ball joint, and then take that pinch bolt off the strut so you can take this whole hub off the strut and pull the whole thing off. And then you got to press it out with the puller set that I have. So anyways, oops, sorry, shaking you guys around. So that's it for our diagnosis. That's where our clunking noise is coming from. About 50 bucks for parts. About probably a good solid half a day in labor. So we'll see. I'll probably do the job myself. Alright, one other quick project while I'm debating on ordering ball joints, which I think I'm going to order the ball joints. But these headlights, look how hazy they are. It really cuts down the light. Well, I polished this one. There's the before, after. Almost looks brand new. Looks a lot better. So, save me from buying some expensive headlight covers. So, there you go.